try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less. You check as I'm chess, what's happening next? Yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson. He got a new engine from pain, that's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill, no discretion. Your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they're scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off, I'ma break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft, you can change lives, you create thoughts. Never waste time, you got one shot, you got one life. Better pop off, what do you like? Make a dream job, no 9-5, no mean boss. Just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they're scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try to change, you can say no, free me.
Champagne spilling, you should taste it. I'm so fancy. You already know I'm in the bag.
You can see the writing on the pavement. Young kids, they're growing up in basements. Online, a whole new generation. I'ma make mine, so you better go take it. Always, they need a new replacement. Decentralized, can't contain it. We're changing lives, yeah, upgrading. Call it suicide of the older generation. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive, and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough.
Ganda rito, no? Sarap dito. Pag ano, laki pala ng palayan dito.
Ano yung paliguan na yun?
Ha? Saan?
Yan, yung ano na yun. Paggabi na may multo.
Ha? Ano sabi?
Sila.
Sa kanila rin to? Ang palayan?
Oo, sa likod. Hanggang likod.
Lawak, no? Pwede pala siya mag-alaga ng isda rito eh.
Video dati.
Ito?
Lawak, no?
Lawak ng ano, palayan. Oh. Picture. Ano Per, dito na tayo titira Per.
Bili kayo dyan, no?
Ah,
Kahit kapaso, no?
dito na kami sa bundok ng ano to.
Laguna de Bay. Palaguna de Bay, eh.
Yan o. Dito walang problema kahit 10 ang gas ng motor. Santa Cruz to, di ba? Gano'n na pala yun dun ah.
Ay.
Ayun, oh.
Low tide.
Kaya pala sagana sa tubig eh.
Low tide.
Ay, nanguhuli sila ng ano. Nanguhuli yata ng isda yan.
Ayun
Palaka.
yung hinahanap ni Nick, ano Angel, kabayo.
Kaba. Dapat sa Baguio.
Sa Baguio dapat nila sumakay, no?
No.
Low tide eh, dati puno to.
Ha?
Oh,
Umabot yung tubig yan?
Maabot yan. Try na.
Laguna. Ayun oh. Ay, ano pala yan? Ano ba yan?
Itik. Yan yung mga yung kinakain natin doon.
Balot. Dinalaw lang namin yung aming mga taniman. Pala yan.
Baka na ano na eh,
Ito kayo.
nalalanta na lahat eh.
Sarap ng buhay probinsya talaga. Hindi kaya rito pwede Per. No?
Hindi pwede.
Ah. Pero ang daming magagandang babae rito Per.
Fiesta, no?
Oo.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeling this demon.
Ito, naglalakad ka ano?
Oo, ano ko? Dadala kami.
Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a clock, never change. Play the game that we say. I need a break. Time stands strong. Need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
Ganda sa gitna, oy. Sabi. Ah, bibitaw ka pa ng ano ha? Bibitaw ka ng
Kamay.
bandita. Mabangko pa kami, oh. Ayaw. Siga si ano, oh.
Game face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I'm strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise if you hate on that. I don't play both sides.
Pagod na.
No cap, I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma
Mabul.
fly real high, you ain't see
Mabul
me
niya.
stack. Now it's not hate buzz, so you get right back up. That's how you get tough.
Nagkakabulan na nga dito.
Yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one. Mess with me, come down with
Ang ano, may checkpoint pa.
real fun. And now you gonna face down the barrel of the guns. Like I'm a good, put your name on it. But I'ma let you slide 'cause you ain't worth it.
Nagkakabulan na, nagkakabulan na. Ano ba yan?
Habulan na.
Ang lugar to.
Ganda ako nung bike ata yun ah.
Barrio Habulan yata dito.
Wala na. Pagod na.
Daming ano dito.
Oh, ano yun?
Kakaabangan pa.